everybody, how are you? I hope you're good, and I am so good. Thank you for tuning into this channel. And today I am going to follow makeup routine by the one and only Rosina Sharons. I have been following her from my day one of my YouTube, and I think a lot of tricks and all the stuff I've learned from her YouTube channel, and I believe she's very easy to follow. And yeah, I'll also leave the link of her video that I'll be following in the description bar. And without wasting any further time, I just want to start. And before we start, please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and most definitely hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. It's a shame, I thought I was recording and it wasn't, but basically I'm still busy with my brows. She used a Becca primer to set her natural brows, and I just used the bar soap because I bar soap, wet bar soap, and rub this, where's my spoolie against it, and just brush my brows up. And after that, she says you should fill in anywhere where you see space in your brows, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And then she does hair-like strokes in the beginning of her brows. That's what I'm gonna do now. There are 6 strokes that she made, so I'm gonna do exactly that. 2, I do not have the LA Girl close by, so I'll just use what I have. I have this one. My LA Girl has finished, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay.
Use a foundation that matches your skin tone. So you're blending the.
So for the upper part, she uses foundation, and I have this one, the Maybelline that she uses. Yay! The upper part.
Onto your skin immediately, so it's easier for you when it comes.
She uses her hand to blend it up a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. I hope this.
Blending your whole face. Next, I'm just going to prep my eyelids before I apply eyeshadow, and I'm using Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn.
She puts concealer on her eyelids using a brush. I'm just gonna use this. My brush, it's a concealer brush, and I'm gonna use it on my eyebrows. Eyelids, I mean. Done.
Use the James Charles eyeshadow palette.
Okay, 1 second. I do not have a James Charles palette. It's too expensive for me right now, so I'm just going to use what I have. So
the first foundation shade we're going for is this brown from the James Charles palette.
She says the first transitional shade is a dark brown. So something similar to that I have in this palette, and it's still brand new. I haven't used it, and yeah, I'm just gonna use this now. So I'm just gonna go in with this color, which seems a little bit more similar to what the color that she used, and I'm gonna use this fluffy brush.
I'm going to use that from my outer corner going towards my inner corner, and I'm going to concentrate that on the upper lid when it comes to the inner corner. And if you're going for a nude eye look, please start with a mattifying brown. That's what I.
So she starts la. going towards the inside.
This eyeshadow is so pigmented and it's the first time I'm using it. Just putting it out there and it looks amazing already. Wow.
I'm just gonna use the yellow shade from this palette. She uses it to blend it out.
From the James Charles palette, and for blending use circular motions and very little force, so it blends in all smoothly.
So I think that's it. I've tried my level best. And I think that's blended.
To draw our cut crease today, I am using Laura Mercier eyeshadow primer. And when it comes to drawing your cut crease, please concentrate that on your lower lid, around your crease region only. And for this, tap until you...
Okay, so she uses the Laura Mercier. I don't have a Laura Mercier, so I'm just gonna use my Dunty concealer. But from the beginning and it doesn't end at the end. She just starts somewhere here and then ends it somewhere there and then fills it in. That's exactly what I'm gonna do now. And I need to concentrate for this.
After, I'm going to use these two nude shades, and for the technique, tap that on to the area where you do your cut crease, following the exact shape of your cut crease, and tap it in, don't drag the brush. After all that, make sure you blend in your...
It's more like this in this shade and this mixed together. So that's what I'm gonna do, and applies it on the concealer. So that's what I am gonna do now.
I'm going to draw my eyeliner, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. And when you do this, kindly make sure you draw the eyeliner as close to your lash line as possible.
I do not have a BH Cosmetic liner, but I have this liner from Essence that I'm just gonna use. I just put my lashes off camera and
so they stick.
She did the same.
Moving on to the face, I'm going to start off with Rimmel Stay Matte Primer.
I don't have the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, so I'm gonna use...
let it set fast.
I don't have the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, so I'm gonna use this one, the Maybelline Primer.
Maybelline Superstay in Warm Coconut.
I do have a... Okay, mine is in the shade Chestnut and it's Maybelline, and I'm just gonna do a few pumps on my hand. I don't know how many pumps she used, so I'm just gonna use enough to cover my face. And I do have a damp beauty blender, and she uses that to spread it all over her cheeks, and that's what I am gonna do now.
And then tap. For blending, tap it in. Don't drag your beauty blender around or your brush around. Just tap until it blends. Illegal Pro Concealer shade 4, the one I've been using, and this is for beginners especially. Blend as you go. Start with your under eye, blend.
Okay, start with your under eye and then blend as you go. She didn't really apply much. That's pretty much it. And she applies so little concealer. I hope this works for me.
I'm going to set using the Beauty Creations banana powder, and for this, dip your beauty blender onto your setting pot.
Okay, at least she doesn't bake. That's how I usually do mine. And then she just takes her Beauty Creations banana powder. I'm just gonna use this Get Baked by W7. It's also a banana powder, and I love this one. And I don't have the one she has. Pretty much seems like I don't have everything that she uses. So she taps it in and then blows the excess and then lightly tap. I think that's a lot. I like to make sure my eyes are straight, which is what seems like she's doing.
Immediately under your eyebrows going down. And then after that, blend in immediately going down. I said immediately, don't wait for it to set fast.
So she says immediately. I'm just trying to go as fast as I
the
can.
edge using the contour shade you used. Your under eyes, you can use the same shade you use for your.
So you're not supposed to bring it towards the beginning, and she's like, she went with a dark green for your waterline. So let me find a dark green. Is there any dark green here? I don't have a dark green, so I'll just use this color right here. I hope it works.
Face using Milani Plus setting spray.
I'm gonna use my usual.
I'm just going to highlight and
oh, this is so fast. These are the parts we don't show you on YouTube. Then she highlights her face. I like to apply highlighter immediately when my skin is a bit red, but she doesn't show. And I'm gonna take a round brush like his. And I don't know which color is this.
And, for this I am using eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I'm using is the Gold Shimmer from the James Charles palette.
So she says she's using a gold shimmer eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. I don't have the James Charles palette, but I have golden from my highlighter palette, and that's what I'm gonna use. Cheeks. Oof. I sometimes forget how pigmented this is.
And if you have my skin tone, any highlighter with a golden undertone work.
So she takes a smaller brush and highlights her nose.
Magic. I think I'm going to use Lavish by Lily and a Golden Lip.
So I did everything, and this is the final look. It looks a bit similar to hers, even though I didn't have the same product as hers, and I really love this, and I really hope you guys enjoyed recreating this look with me. If you want me to recreate another person's look, leave that in the description bar and in the comment section below, and I would gladly do so. And guys, keep safe, stay quarantined. It's just for a couple of days, and then yeah, just be safe and wash your hands, and yeah, that's all, and I would leave a link to Rosina's video in the description bar, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.